Let's do a market minute. The interest rates finally crept above 6%. Right now we're sitting at a 6.02. What does this mean for the buyer? Well, somebody who used to be able to afford a $350,000 house at a 4.75 interest rate would probably be coming out with about an $1,800 payment. That same $1,800 payment now gets you only about $300,000. So what is this doing to the market? It's softening it. It's making it so it's not as much demand because Joe Blow buyer, the average buyer that's out there, is not able to afford as much. So there's not as many people out there looking, which has helped out a little bit because it's now increased the inventory that's out there. The buyers are a little bit more savvy and they're now going back to almost a balanced type of an offer type of a thing. Whereas before, the sellers were able to get away without having to paint, fix up, or do anything else. Now the buyers are back to doing basically asking for closing cost and making sure the house looks good and is good.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, or if you are interested in selling or purchasing a home, here is our contact information. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you next time.